When it's time to replace your wiper blades, an authorized dealer can provide you with the right set for your vehicle, and you can install them yourself in just a few minutes. To remove a windshield wiper blade, first, raise it off the glass by lifting the wiper arm to the full up position. Tilt the lower end of the blade away from the arm. Use one finger to push the release tab toward the wiper arm and keep it steady, while using the other hand to push the blade away from the J-hook and toward the windshield. Position the replacement wiper blade under the J-hook and insert the bracket into the hook. Slide the wiper up until it clicks. Now, just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and repeat the process for the other side. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.